In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a heading in Webflow. If you're diving into web design or just looking to streamline your workflow, understanding this basic yet essential skill is key to creating a well-structured website. First, let's get started by logging into Webflow and opening your project. Once you're in, navigate to the designer. This is the creative hub where you can craft and customize your website's elements. In the designer, locate the area where you'd like to add a new heading. This could be within a specific section, a container block, or any other location that requires a headline. Next, you'll want to add a heading element. To do this, open the Add panel, which you can find on the left side of your screen. This panel is your go-to toolbox for adding new elements to your project. From here, simply drag and drop a heading element onto your canvas or into any section you prefer. One important detail is choosing the right level of heading, from H1 to H6. H1 is typically used for main page headings and is crucial for SEO purposes. On the other hand, H2 to H6 serve as subheadings, helping to organize sections within your content and establish a hierarchy. Once your heading is in place, it's time to make it your own. Customization is key in making your design stand out. Start with choosing the right font and size that align with your brand style guide. Consider the tone you want to convey and how best to represent that visually. Next, tweak the font weight and style, whether you prefer a bold look, an italic flair, or a lighter touch. Then, select a color that complements your brand palette or use a specific hex code to ensure consistency. Beyond typography, don't forget about spacing. Adjusting margins and padding will ensure your heading aligns properly within your design layout. If your website is responsive, and it should be, you'll also need to make certain your headings are just as effective across devices. Check tablet and mobile breakpoints in the Webflow designer and make any necessary adjustments to font size, line height, and spacing so your headings look polished everywhere they appear. Finally, preview your work. Hit the preview icon, which looks like an eye, to get an accurate view of how your heading appears on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. This is the moment to refine and tweak any settings, whether it's the container size, margins, or even flexbox settings, to ensure everything is perfect and responsive. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a heading in Webflow. By following these steps, you'll be ensuring your website not only functions seamlessly, but also impresses with its professional and coherent design. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.